guys, welcome to Leaf Geeks. This is Sushma. We all have this doubts like how to download a movie directly and where can we possibly buy the same dress as a celebrity one. Like we see some celebrity wearing a nice dress and we feel like buying the same exact one, but we literally couldn't find it anywhere. And we want to watch a good movie, but we don't know where to watch it and how to find a really good one. So I'm going to tell you guys few tips where you can find such stuff. I'm going to help you guys with this stuff today.
To find dresses matching your favorite celebrity, log on to oneontv.net. Well, do you want to watch a good movie but don't know what to watch? Log on to goodmovietowatch.com and this website suggests you a random good movie though they aren't so famous. Type "do a barrel roll" on your search engine and you can actually see your monitor screen doing a barrel roll. While waiting for the prices to drop on Amazon, use camel.com and get notified when the prices go down.